Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Sai English High School located in Kalyan. So let us see what are the positions available from this school. So they are hiring for English medium teachers for pre-primary, primary and secondary section state board for all the subjects and computer teachers and also for visual audio visual. So let us see what are the qualifications required to apply for these positions. So it would be ECCED, HSC DED, Graduate DED, BA BED or BSc BED or BPED or ATD. So these are the qualifications required. So interested candidates, you can share your resume on before 30 April 2022 to the provided mail ID, that is saischool 1990 at the rate of gmail.com. And also if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can also approach them with the given contact number.